Hey, this is Ranjit from TechRanjee, and in this video, we're going to talk about the upcoming iPhone 15 event that Apple has announced for the September 12th launch event. They will be announcing the iPhone 15, 15 Plus, 15 Pro, and 15 Ultra with stable iOS 17. There's also going to be the Apple Watch Series 9, the new M3 MagSafe, and the second-gen Apple Watch Ultra with S9 chip, a library design with a new color finish. Finally, we may see a USB-C AirPods Pro case. The highlight of this event will of course be the iPhone 15. It is coming with a new dynamic island design, a Type-C port, a new A17 Bionic chip, and some improvements with a bigger battery. The regular iPhone 15 and 15 Plus will run a 60Hz display, but the dynamic island design, near bezel-less finish, and curved frame with the massive battery make them an amazing deal. The Pro and Pro Max models get a high-speed USB-C port, fast charging, a titanium case finish, which is going to be solid and tough, and a unique action button that you can use to trigger 9 different functions. The A17 Bionic chip is going to crush Qualcomm's CPU thanks to its 3nm processor. It has a single-core score reaching 3268 and a multi-core Geekbench score maxing out at 766. The iPhone 15 and 15 Plus may cost $799 and $899, respectively. The Pro and Pro Max models may start at $1,099 and $1,199. Not to mention, the Ultra is coming with a Sony 6x zoom periscope camera, so it is going to take some awesome photos. So that's all for the upcoming iPhone 15 event. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next videos.